Hello, in front of me I've got Thrustmaster eSwap. In this video I'll show you how to remap controller buttons. To remap back buttons on your controller, firstly select mapping profile 1 or 2. Next, press map button. And now press and hold button you want to modify. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, press the button you want to assign. The gamepad vibrates to indicate that change is applied. The profile LED stops flashing and turned solid. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.